Hi guys, my name is Tricelle. I am an adult doll collector. I love all things 1/6 scale. Today I'm coming to you with yet another reveal. Freaking MGA is dropping another release of the Bratz Mean Girls collab. I did not even know about this. I'm not really a Bratz collector, but I'm here for these Mean Girl dolls. Like I am. I'm just being honest. So I'm just going to get right into it. So this collaboration is set to release around October the 3rd, and there will be 4 dolls. We have Regina, Katie, and then Karen and Gretchen are going to be a 2-pack. So I am going to be talking about pricing and things of that nature. So again, let's just jump right into
You should
it.
just know that we don't do this a lot, so this is like a really huge deal.
We want to invite you to have lunch with us every day for the rest of the week.
Oh, it's okay. Coolness. So we'll see you tomorrow. On Wednesdays, we wear pink.
I thought it would be fitting to release that clip since all the dolls are going to be wearing what they wear on Wednesday. They wear pink day. And we first up have Regina, who is probably my favorite screening as far as her look. Now again, I'm not a Bratz doll collector, so you know what I mean, me saying that I don't have a lot to go on, but I do like her overall screening and her overall outfit she's giving, and I'm here for that. But yeah, Regina and Katie are going to be $50, and they are coming with 2 different outfits and those beautiful Bratz accessories. And as far as I know, this is going to be an extremely limited edition, and I don't believe they are going to be selling these dolls internationally, which really sucks because Bratz collectors, they do that, and I think it should be available to everybody, especially since this is an extreme limited edition line. You know what I mean? But I digress. Let's move on. Next up, we do have Katie. Now, she is more casual than the other girls, and I seriously don't like her look, but it is true to the movie. So with that being said, they were spot on. I love their accessories. I love these handbags. It's giving, vintage Louis Vuitton, colorful bag. Like, I'm feeling that. And again, she is going to be $50. She's coming with a doll stand. And I just, I do definitely want to get this collection as well. These are some beautiful, beautiful dolls. So the packaging, from what I can tell, is going to look like the burn book. And then this might be the back of the box, I'm assuming, where it's showing all of the dolls. Yeah, such a cute line. So now we have Karen and Gretchen, and I'm showing them together because they are going to be a double pack, and they're $120. I don't know why these 2 being together bumps up the dolls to $60 a piece rather than that $50 price point I was describing earlier. But at any rate, this is what they look like, and they're going to have 2 outfits as well. I'm loving the accessories. MGA is just spot on with their accessories, and I'm hoping they might release some mini dolls, but I'm not sure since this is an extremely limited line. But I'm here for these dolls. They're gorgeous. So let's talk about Gretchen for a second. I do love her plaid dress. I do like her screening. I love that she has dark hair, and her sweater is giving very, the movie feel with this doll. And it looks like she has that patent leather outfit on the side, which I'm here for. Like I said, I am not a Bratz collector, but these dolls for me are a must-have. It's just that price point, honey. It's a lot. But with that being said, because it is a limited edition, I still want these dolls. And when I get them, I am going to open them up. Like, I am. Because the fashion, I'm here for the fashions. Just saying. So now we have Karen. She's in all pink, which is my favorite color. And I know I'm like legit, I love all the dolls. Like, I don't even know what else to say. Like, I love all the dolls. I love their unique pieces. I love their accessories. I love the additional outfit. I even like the way the packaging looks, and the outside of the box looking like that burn book. I'm here for it all. Her screening is pretty standard. Like, I feel like I've seen this screening before, But, you know, it is what it is. I still want all of these dolls because let's be clear, the screenings on the Bratz dolls are gorgeous. Like, I love their face and they're not pixelated. The makeup is nice and clean. Like, I'm here for these dolls, seriously. So if I could choose, I actually would want to get just Gretchen and Regina, but Gretchen and Karen are a 2-pack. And as I hear it, basically they fold up because they don't look like they're going to be a 2-pack, but when they fold up, they're going to face each other. It's going to look like the burn book closed, like the actual book, which is super cute in my opinion. Like, I think the packaging is going to be absolutely adorable. But since I'm not going to be able to choose that, and since I'm getting the 2-pack and then getting Regina, I might as well get Katie. And it's not like I don't like Katie, it's just I just wish they picked a different outfit, but they were keeping it very true to the We Wear Pink on Wednesdays theme, which was really cute in the movie. Mean Girls is probably one of my, I used to watch it all the time. Like, it was my favorite movie. It was so funny to me. But I just, what I'm saying? Like, everybody else is like, you got Gretchen and, Karen, and they're all given, but they're the Mean Girls, and that's what they did. And then, obviously Katie wasn't from there, and that, I'm just going on and on. I keep doing that, but don't mind me rambling. Because I am very much so glad that they did at least include that cute black strapless dress with the little pink stripe. I'm glad that was in there because that is so cute. So yeah, that made me very happy to see that. And yeah, y'all let me know in the comments down below, how are you feeling about these dolls? Like, I know I've been talking about a lot of reveal dolls coming out, and I'm super excited about all the dolls that have been dropping. Like, I'm here, the doll community is in a buzz because we're getting so many different doll lines that are dropping. It seems like every other week there's a new doll line coming, and I'm here for it. Like, I love it. I'm an adult doll collector. This is, I love this. This is awesome. It's just costly. Like I said, it could be so expensive. Hence the reason why I shop when things are on sale. But in matters like this, when you're looking at dolls and new doll lines, you don't get the luxury of trying to purchase when things go on sale. So there's that. But let me know in the comments down below, how are you feeling about this line? Is this a buy or pass for you? Are you a Bratz collector? And if so, you can give me your thoughts on that. Like, I welcome all your feedback. I appreciate all your kind words. You guys don't know how that it means a lot to me. So if you got it this far, thank you. Yay. And just go ahead and smash that like button. And if you want more content like this, you should definitely check out the video that's going to pop up on the screen. And if you have not subscribed, please do so. I would love to have you. I appreciate each and every one of you who are rocking with me. And then also don't forget to ring that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And until the next time, guys, bye.